Hello everyone, it's LEYA again, and today I will tell you how to maximize profits within a day. No, not in 3 to 5 hours or even in an hour. We will talk about a trading method called scalping, its advantages and disadvantages. I will share some cool tips and tricks that I use in scalping trading. Plus, I'll give you a real-life example of how I take profit from the market in just 15 seconds. Ready for the show? Then buckle up, because scalping trading is all about speed, adrenaline, and excitement. Hold on a sec. Before the dive in, remember this trading method is not only very profitable but also considered the riskiest, because everything needs to be done very quickly. Analyzing, setting up orders, making decisions to enter and exit. Before we delve into the charts, let's first understand what is scalping. In a nutshell, it's trading on bursts or speedy trading. Scalpers always trade within the day like crazy. They don't carry over open trades to the next day. Then a position opens for 1 or several minutes or even just a few seconds. There is simply no point in it. In one day, a speedy trader can make even 100 trades. With such trading long pullbacks or fluctuations in the assets value by several percentage points, or waiting for inflation or unemployment data to come out, are not interesting at all. Scalpers just need to grab a few points from the market in a couple of minutes, close the trade and open another one. One such trade in the Forex market brings very little profit, but we are not going to trade Forex. We have binary options for this. There it doesn't matter whether you enter the market for 5 seconds or 4 hours. Your profit is always around 90% of the entry amount. For example, if you open a position on the AUD or USD trading pair on the Quotex for 30 seconds with $100, you'll end up with $193. The profit will be exactly the same for the 4-hour trade. If there is no difference, why torture yourself with long waits? I hope the principle of scalping is clear. It's very fast trades within the day. Before we move on to practice, let's talk about pros and cons of high-speed trading. As I mentioned earlier, scalping helps to make profits very quickly. That's the biggest advantage of this type of trading. Another cool thing is that you can trade on any market. It doesn't matter which direction it's going. Scalpers don't follow trends. Another significant advantage is that fundamental analysis is not required. It's very straightforward because you just need to work according to a template. Throughout the day, a scalper can receive signals from just a couple of tools. Usually, these are some indicators, levels, and candlestick patterns. There are also plenty of downsides here. The main drawback is the speed of decision making. You have to react to everything very quickly. You see a signal on the chart, you make a decision and enter the trade. Decisions need to be made in seconds. Another downside, if you have a poor internet connection or equipment, scalping is almost impossible. The system must work perfectly for a trading terminal to reflect every price movement. Perhaps these are all downsides, and if they are significant for you, I suggest not starting with scalping. Start with the trading signals that I provide on my channel. There you can ask questions about trading, get educational materials, and already earn on ready-made ideas. I've attached a link to the channel in the description. And now I want to talk about practical scalping life hacks that I constantly use myself. I've taken 2 popular tools from trading and adapted them for scalping strategies. I hope you are taking notes, because these tools can give you a very powerful start in binary options. The first tool is levels. For some reason, many people believe that they don't work in scalping or work poorly. This is not true. They work great for fast trading, and I consider them the main tool to focus on. A huge number of orders are gathered at levels, so the price bounces off them for some time. And in scalping, you don't need much time. 15 to 30 seconds is enough. The second tool that pairs well with levels is the stochastic indicator. It shows overbought and oversold zones. But it's not advisable to rely solely on it. Use the indicator to conjunction with levels. Take the standard settings, except for the overbought and oversold levels. On Quotex, we default to 30 and 70. Change them to 20 and 80. This way the indicator will give fewer signals but cleaner ones. Let's prepare the trading terminal for work. Choose a top trading pair, for example the $euro or $yen. Set up the indicator on the chart as I explained earlier. Now let's move on to levels. Open a minute chart and mark the levels that the price has interacted within the last 3 to 4 times. Don't draw 10 to 20 levels. You can get lost and confused. 2 to 3 of the most obvious ones will suffice. Now we can start trading. Now I will show you how I used this in practice. We are all set for scalping. Let's look for an entry point. Switch to a lower time frame for scalping. Choose a 5-second chart. Now I need a signal. The price should approach one of the levels I indicated on the minute chart. Once this happens, observe how the indicator behaves. If the price approaches the level from above and the indicator drops below 20 and starts to turn around, that's a signal to enter upwards. When the price touches the level from below and the stochastic goes above the 80 level, that's a signal to sell the option. A trade only requires 15 to 20 seconds. Now pay attention to the screen. This is how it works in real trading. Wait for the price to be near the level and the indicator to show overbought or oversold conditions, and then act, just like I did in the trade. Look, the option is closed. The profit is plus $93. I entered it with $100. So in 15 seconds, I made someone's hourly wage, or maybe even a daily wage. Isn't that cool? If you like it, a like and a subscription for you would be appreciated. But that's not all. If you want more trades, I'll tell you an awesome life hack on how not to wait the price near the level. For example, if the chart has already touched the level, but you didn't manage to open the option, then we will trade within the range. That is between the levels we marked. Let's slightly modify our strategy with the indicator. When the price rebounds from the level, it doesn't move straight up or down from it. Look at the chart. It moves in waves, which makes traders' lives much easier. These waves are called corrections or pullbacks. And here's how to use them. For example, the price was going down, rebounded from the level we marked and starting to rise. While it was moving towards the upper level, there were several pullbacks downwards, and along with such pullbacks, the stochastic indicator entered the oversold zone, giving a signal to buy. Until the price reached the upper level, I could calmly enter the trade 1 to 2 more times and earn another $160. Want to know more cool life hacks and secret tips like this? Come to my channel, where I constantly talk about various professional super effective things that only a few know about. I left the link below the video. I'll see you there. If you still thought that trading is for geniuses on Wall Street in expensive suit, I hope I managed to convince you otherwise. Scalping can be done with minimal knowledge of finance and economics and achieve incredible results in the shortest possible time. All you need is a fast internet-connected device, a broker's account like Quotex, and the desire to make big money. If you have all of this and a little money, you are already a trader. Practice on a demo account and go conquer the market. That's all from me for today. Good luck in trading and big profits. Sending hugs to everyone. Bye!